This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Sign into the Google account that will hold your images and update WhatsApp so permissions are current. On Android, enable media visibility in WhatsApp chats so images are stored in a visible folder. On iPhone, grant WhatsApp access to photos so shared media saves locally. Make sure Google Photos is installed and logged into the same Google account. Once done, you'll have the folders and permissions in place, so Google Photos can see and back up WhatsApp media automatically. Now link the folders, open Google Photos, go to Settings and turn on Backup and Sync so cloud uploads are allowed. Next, tap Backup Device folders and find WhatsApp images and WhatsApp video. Toggle those on so Photos watches those specific folders. Make sure the upload quality and mobile data options match your preferences to avoid surprises on data or storage. Once enabled, Android's folder-based backup or iPhone's Photos Sync will push WhatsApp media into Google Photos automatically. Finish by confirming new WhatsApp images show up in Google Photos. Open an image and look for the cloud backup status or force a manual backup in Photos settings. If uploads stop, check your Google account storage quota because a full account blocks backups. If files are missing, make sure the WhatsApp folders remain visible to Photos, review app permissions, and clear app caches or restart the phone to reset sync. A single troubleshooting tip: toggle backup and sync off, then on to reinitialize the sync process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.